Alright, got us a no cooling call. Dirty filter. Alright, inside's running. Let's go check the outside. I don't hear a compressor. Oh. Compressor was going brrr. Let's get it open, see what's going on. These are the rotaries. The rotary Goodman air conditioning units. They have the rotary compressors. They take hard starts. They come from the factory with hard starts, okay? Know-it-alls. Well, if it's got a hard start, you need to replace it. It comes from the factory with a hard start, okay? I had a hurricane yesterday. We had a hurricane here in Florida. I'm not in the mood for your know-it-all mess. I always get that on some comments. Oh, Joey know-it-all comes along. Oh, you gotta replace it. It's got a hard start. It comes from the factory with a hard start, genius. Maybe there's some ACs you haven't seen out there yet. These have rotary compressors in them. Yeah, the old hurricane rolled right by us yesterday. Category 3. Idalia. Had some high winds here. Made me a little nervous, but not as nervous as when Michael came over in 2018. Boy, that one. I won't be sticking around for anything like that again. I rode that one out. That wasn't too wise. Let's see here. Hard start and the original capacitor. I just do both. So yeah, these come from the factory with these hard starts in it. Nobody installed this. Nothing like that. So you don't have to change out the unit or the compressor. Just change the hard start. Alright, the power is off. So try to get these wires off of there and we'll test it just to show you guys at home, new guys. Alright, got the wires off. Set the old meter to cap. A lot of folks ask about my meter. It is from 2007. It's a Craftsman. 2007. I've definitely got my money's worth out of it. So this hard start should be over 88, but it really needs to be around 120 for it to work. So I'll put my leads on the two terminals. Look at that, 0. That's why the compressor wasn't coming on. So I'm going to change all this out, put in a new cap as well. Might as well test the cap. I just change it anyway while I'm here. Got it open. Alright, let's test the cap. Common to Herm, should be 45. All these rotary compressors take 45. Man, we're up to 50? That can't be right. I'm changing it out. It should be 45. After the hurricane blew over though, turned out to be a really nice afternoon. Sun came out. Yeah, see that says 45/5, so that thing gave me a 50. I'm already sus. It's already looking sus. You go get a new cap and a new hard start wired in. Yeah, the hurricanes don't really scare me, but they just make you kind of edgy, you know? You don't really know what's gonna happen, and just get kind of edgy. Everybody turns into Safety Bob all of a sudden, trying to tell you how to handle it, you know? It's just, it's crazy. I mean, I understand you gotta move some things, you know, out of the way so it don't blow off, but sometimes people get a little out of control and want to tell you how to do it. Sometimes you just gotta let people deal with it how they deal with it, you know? Everybody's different. So, kind of get a little edgy from that. It's not really the storm, it's the people, I guess. Ugh. All right, let's go back with a new hard start and a new cap. All right, I got all the new goodies in. New hard start, new capacitor, 45.5 Titan. Now we just put the wires back on. Red to common, purple to common. Where's my brown? There's the brown, goes to fan. On these Goodmans anyway. Depends on the brand. Carrier's a little different. We got carriers out here as well. And the Herm is yellow. This is the yellow from the hard start, which comes from the factory, again, by the way. And this black goes on the common, on the contactor. On the common side. And this red goes to the common on the cap. A little hard to push down. Grab the old flathead and give it a push. I'll check the charge too while I'm here, might as well. We just want to make sure that compressor fires up. Alright, new hard start, new capacitor. Compressor was humming when I showed up, but the fan was running. Come on, big money, no whammy. Good to go. I can hear the compressor. Alright, gauges and temp probes are hooked up. This is a TXV, so we gotta go by subcool, and that subcool is too low. We gotta bring it up and get the air out of the lines. There we go. Now we can charge it without getting a non-condensable in there. We're going to bring it up to, we'll go about 12 subcool. Superheat's high. It's hot in there, man. It's 90 degrees in that apartment. I don't know if it broke yesterday during the hurricane. Boy, if it was that hot in that apartment all day yesterday, whew, we didn't work yesterday. That's when the hurricane rolled over us. It rolled, the eye went about 80 miles southeast of where I live, so we didn't get the eye, but boy, we got the wind and we got the rain. And you would think people wouldn't be putting in dumb work orders during a hurricane, but they do. They're still worried about their clicking electrical fireplace and their squeaky ceiling fan while a freaking hurricane's raging outside. Like I said earlier, those things just make me edgy, man. Just real edgy, you know. A lot of people trying to tell you what to do, like, you know, Safety Bob. You know, everybody's an expert all of a sudden. Just like, hey, this 300-pound table here that's turned upside down, we should bring that inside. It's like, it's a 300-pound table. If this wind moves this 300-pound table, we got other issues than this table here. That's what I mean, you know. And it's dealing with people like that all week long. It just makes you edgy after, you know, towards the end of the week. It's like, ugh. But other than that, I'm usually a pretty happy guy. 340 days out of the year. There's those 25 days that sneak up on me. Alright, I'm gonna keep charging and I'll be back when it gets to a subcool that I like. We're slowly ticking up. Old superheat's coming down. That's good. It was at 42-ish. Subcool slowly climbing up. These are rotary compressors, so the pressure runs a little higher, as you can see, than these standard Copeland scroll. When I first got on this property, I was like, whoa, these rotaries are wicked, man. They run real high. Some people said that they think the contractors didn't put the piston in the TXV. I don't know. I'm just playing the hand I was dealt. I didn't build the place. Alright, big dog. Subcool's at 12 to TXV. It's hunting, going up and down. It'll stabilize, but I'm going to leave it right there. Moving some good heat off the top. It's cooling inside. We got some clouds rolling in, so I'm going to need to get out of here as fast as I can, get the camera in a dry spot. Alright, it's blowing cold up there. It's already dropped 1 degree. It's the coil, probably leaking. The first company coil, they all leak out here. For those of you who watched the show and seen the previous videos, you know that I have 250 leaking first company coils, and we're just slowly making our way through. There's only 2 of us, so if I've been on one multiple times within a few months, I'll replace it. But other than that, nothing we can do with 2 guys. They're like $2,000 per coil. I mean, it's just crazy. Alright guys, they're blowing cold. We'll see you in the next one. Wait. Well, a concrete jungle.